It's Miss Strasser here with your unit of study turn-in for this week. You're going to be looking at some decimals most of the time. There might be a fraction or two thrown in there, but you're going to be plotting the values on a number line. So the first one is just the first three questions all look the same. So you will be given a table that has decimals. You will be given a number line that you're going to be asked to plot all of these correctly on the number line. Make sure that it's neat. If I can't read it, I'm obviously not going to be able to count it correct. And then you're going to write 3 comparison statements using a greater than, less than, or equal to sign from the numbers that you did up there. You can choose any for these. You're going to do that 3 times. So all the values will be different. The numbers will change. Your bookends or your endpoints here will be different because the values are going to be different. So you're going to do that again, comparison statements, and a third one. So all of that is cool because the process is the exact same, but I do encourage you to pay attention to what the values in the table are to know how to correctly plot on a number line. The second part of this just asks you to convert each decimal to a fraction or each fraction to a decimal. So depending on what the question starts with, you're converting to the other. So if it's a fraction, you're going to convert it to a decimal. And if it's given to you as a decimal, you're going to convert it to a fraction. And then the last 3 questions are a lot like kind of what was on the application task from last week. Diego throws a frisbee 5 1/10 meters. Jada throws the frisbee 5 1/100th meters. For each question, you're going to find 2 possible answers. I already know that people are not going to read this and they're going to put one answer and I'm going to have to give it back and I'm going to be really annoyed. Han threw the frisbee farther than Diego. How far could he have thrown it? You're going to give 2 options. Tyler threw the frisbee farther than Diego but less than 6. How far could he have thrown it? And then Mai threw the frisbee shorter than Jada. How far might she have thrown it? So again, you're giving optional distances here. When you kind of understand the distances that they're given up there in decimal form, you're going to give some options for what they could have thrown. That is our turn-in unit of study for this week. Good luck. Please rewatch if you don't understand. Have fun.